Hello, Karamjuri, and welcome to SKTV News. You are watching Primetime English News with me, Jessie. Now, as usual, giving you the headlines first. Foothills Naga Coordination Committee FNCC declines to attend meeting convened by Government of Manipur regarding protests against Kuki community. Campaign for just and fair delimitation opposes benefits meant for indigenous people diverted to illegal immigrants through improper census. Rajasthan school wushu team faces extortion and intimidation from Kuki militants en route to Imphal for participation in 69th National School Games. And IPR Director Ngangom Uttam underscores the importance for architects in Manipur to consider earthquake and flood while designing building and structures. Now the news in detail. Foothills Naga Coordination Committee FNCC has declined to attend meeting convened by Government of Manipur on January 19, citing government's failure to honor the 3-point Memorandum of Understanding MOU signed on August 8, 2025 and alleging bias in handling recent incidents. In a communication addressed to the Commissioner Home, FNCC Secretary Robin Kabui stated that the decision was taken after detailed deliberations with the joint tribes, their councils and executives. FNCC alleged that instead of arresting and prosecuting the cadres of KNFP, UPF and their leader Thangboy Kipgen for their alleged involvement in several illegal activities, including the January 11-12 earring incident, the government has opted to call the victims for negotiation. Calling the move deeply unfortunate, FNCC accused the government of lacking impartiality and claimed that it appeared to be working hand in glove with unlawful militants. The committee further stated that the armed group had reportedly issued direct threats against Ireng Naga village on January 12, which it said constituted serious criminal offences under various sections of the Indian Penal Code, including criminal intimidation, attempt to murder, promoting enmity between groups and criminal conspiracy. Despite the gravity of the alleged offences, FNCC expressed concern that no concrete legal action has been initiated, leading to strong perception of bias or tacit support by the authorities. The organization also criticized the manner in which the meeting invitation was issued, stating that it was received via WhatsApp late in the evening on January 18 and contained errors including an incorrect year and inaccuracies in the Secretariat's name. Under the prevailing circumstances, FNCC stated that its participation in the proposed meeting would remain untenable until the rule of law is upheld, offenders are brought to justice, and commitments under the MOU are implemented in letter and spirit. Justice and Fair Delimitation JFD Organization Secretary Longjam Ratan has demanded fair census practices and to ensure indigenous communities get benefited from the census. He was addressing the gathering at a public meeting against unfair conduct of census and delimitation at Teretkul and Sekta in Imphal district today. Speaking further, Ratan warned that if the government forcibly conducts census in an unfair manner, illegal immigrants may soon outnumber the indigenous population and deprive them of their rights. He expressed strong concerns that if Kuki refugees from Myanmar are included in the upcoming census, they will attain Indian citizenship and demand equal rights. Ratan then urged the government to identify illegal immigrants before conducting the census to prevent them from claiming citizens' rights. Meanwhile, JFD Convener Jitendra Ningomba demanded that the upcoming census be conducted after the identification of illegal immigrants with 1951 as the base year and implementation of NRC or equivalent process. He went on to lament that a large number of illegal immigrants had already included in the past census, resulting into serious threats to the indigenous population, thereby even waging war against the indigenous people. Jitendra also underscored the crucial need for mobilizing the indigenous communities in the state to press the government authorities for NRC implementation and conduct a fair census after identifying illegal immigrants. During the meeting, attendees resolved to collectively fight against unfair conduct of census in the state.
Aikogi Manipur da Mito Musung, Akogi, me Asen Bamise, 1951 di cut off base yard the low sea had in a lowrum kiwi Matuna, Ikunusu, Madugi, Illegasi Dungaga, Poda, 51 among the little Madudi, Ekogi, Oisi, Matunda Laku to the Mito, Oisi had and mine Haina whenever. Kogi Manipur da 2001 da, Miko Tivo Matomda, Mafum Karada, Eko Yamna, Miji, Henkatpa, Henkatpom Toko Henkatpa, Dugi Sangi, Henkakiva, Jaga Karating, Jingi Jaga, the Nimoruna, Aduga, Ekogi Tampaki Jagadi, me Henkatpom Toko Digi, Handa Bo in the Ting, Masi Imphal Westki area, Nagana Tabo, Mapum the Henkalama, me Masingudi, the no only Henkalamba, me only the Henkalandaba, Shido in the Henkalam Haidar, Yamekalami Sange, Aduga, Kuki area, the me Henkalamududi, Shi Katanatana, Asing me, Masana Masana Poksobodo, Adunataba, Anobo me, Mayam Tungaga, Adu Hapsalam Haidare.
Joint Committee opposing the limitation exercise in Manipur, Kongnei Park, has called for concerted efforts towards opposing the proposed census in the state. Addressing a press meet held at IPSA office located at Keshampat, spokesperson of the Joint Committee comprising 14 different organizations, Nahangpam Shanta, warned that conducting census before NRC update will be detrimental for every community in the state. He went on to oppose making 1961 as the base year for NRC update while questioning the valid logical ground for digital census despite the people in the state not able to move from one place to another within the state due to the ongoing crisis.
Lengak semni na honari se matamnu da palakwa lakadaba chief minister haitare mana hoji hoji leiba Manipur gi phibam adi buffer zone leibagi mawong da mayam na phanam leite haraga su changba yadaba gi si mawong da 2026 27 census se kya mai pakna tongam deino hai poche sigi pochi akhoi da yam doubtful oi haitare akhoi luptra mari da ko aduna census si tawdringai da akhoi NRC se update tawba pame hai sima aseng maneba NRC update tawra kan na tawdam ni hai ne mi top thido kan da masakang do kan da census tawdam ni hai neba.
In an unfortunate incident that exposes the law and order situation of state, members of the Rajasthan school wushu team who were on their way to Imphal to participate in the ongoing 69th National School Games in Imphal were extorted by armed Kuki militants. In a video posted by team members of Rajasthan team, it is mentioned that during the journey, the team was stopped and threatened at gunpoint by suspected armed Kuki militants who allegedly demanded money and were stranded for over 2 hours. The allegations have triggered calls for an immediate inquiry into the conduct of event organizers, the role of supervising authorities, and the adequacy of security and logistical arrangements for school-level national competitions. As of now, there has been no official response from the organizing authorities regarding the claims of extortion, mismanagement, or failure to ensure the safe return of the Rajasthan team. On the other hand, Rajasthan team has also complained that their train tickets have not been confirmed and complained that most basic entitlement of travel arrangements were denied to them.
राजस्थान टीम जब आई थी तो यहाँ पे बीच में कुकीज ने बंदूक की नोक पे 2 घंटे तक टीम को रोक के रखा था
और पैसे लिए
और टीम से पैसे भी लिए थे, ठीक है। लेकिन फिर भी हम पेरेंट्स आए हैं, बच्चों को ले जा रहे हैं हमारे को सेफ। क्या निदेशालय का यही है? क्या जिन्होंने भी ये यहाँ तक बच्चों को भेजा है, ये बच्चे इतनी मेहनत करके ट्रॉफी के साथ जा रहे हैं, क्या यही है क्या इनकी व्यवस्था? और बच्चों की ना कभी आज तक कोई भी टीम आए उसकी निदेशालय कभी भी कंफर्म टिकट नहीं देता है।
69 नेशनल स्कूल गेम्स जो कि मणिपुर इम्फाल में हो रहा है, हम उधर आए हैं और यहाँ पर हमारी टीम ने फर्स्ट गर्ल्स पोजीशन ली है, सेकंड बॉयज और ओवरऑल सेकंड पोजीशन ली है। मैं ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि हम कुल मिलाकर 52 जने आए थे और उसमें से केवल और केवल चॉइस टिकटें करवाई गई थी, जिसमें चॉइस में से एक भी टिकट कंफर्म नहीं हुई, सभी वेटिंग में है। ये चैंपियनशिप्स जो हमने जीती है, क्या इनकी इतनी ही इज्जत है कि ये टॉयलेट के बाहर रखी जाए? और क्या हमारी भी यही इज्जत है? हमने ये मेडल जीते हैं, क्या ये सब टॉयलेट के बाहर जाए? और हमारे पेरेंट्स आए हैं हमारे साथ, जिन्होंने हमारा पूरा सहयोग करा है। हमारी प्रीमियम तत्काल में टिकटें करवाई है, जिनका 3 गुना ज्यादा अमाउंट लगता है।
All Manipur Students Union (AMSU) has strongly condemned the incident of extortion from Rajasthan team who were travelling to Imphal for participation in the ongoing 69th National School Games. Armed militants reportedly extorted money from young players, coaches and family members, causing mental trauma and fear on young sports persons from Rajasthan. In a press note issued by Assistant Publicity and Information Secretary Ngangom Nihen, MSU has asserted that the incident exposes the failure of President's rule in Manipur as armed group continue to operate openly on public highways. While calling the incident as a national embarrassment and grave security lapse, MSU condemned the incident as barbaric act and demanded immediate arrest of those involved and to secure the national highways for safety of participants of national school games. MSU further warned to launch democratic agitations to protect public safety. IPR Director Ngangom Uttam emphasized the crucial importance of considering the topographical challenges such as earthquake and flood risks when designing for constructing buildings and structures. He was speaking at the Foundation Day of Manipur Architects Forum and reception of its senior members at City Convention Center, Konong Mamang, Imphal. The event, jointly organized by Manipur Architects Forum and Town Planning Department, was also attended by Chief Town Planner and Benju, retired IAS Officer R.K. Nimai, Environment and Climate Change Director Dr. T. Kumar, and Manipur Architects Forum President Git Kumar Nepram. Speaking further, Director Uttam noted that the role of an architect extends beyond aesthetically pleasing designs to ensuring compliance with building bylaws and master plans. He also noted that consulting architects minimizes budgets and ensures compliance with legal requirements, citing numerous instances of houses facing issues like overheating.
Hausi honga iba climate change gi la iba phibam fal gi saba hengala iba aduga aikhoi nghaklitana ising ichau thokla iba drainage gi sigi mathakta mu akoi earthquake zone 5 ta lai hai aduragati hanba khutha doisi architect ni adu manipur to isina aigi yumam yekpiu hairaga dagi amu architect sigi maram da su yam kumna thigattaba common mayam na khanarisi architect ta pithoi ba phi se ahen ba paisa dong na khan ba pamu ba man ba madum lairi green building gi concept la iba aduna climate change gi concept la iba si mayam se la kan da khoina punna yengaga building tha ga dori ba mapu duga architect ka kayam kupna phaminna rage kayam kupna watana rage haiba sisu masisu ama changi pralega building du crack chalo earthquake matam da namgro responsibility kana na puni haiba question am lai anu sugumba section ga da ba macha macha da section da ba mana semdok ning ba mong dekta semdok pa kainoma mana semdok ning aju ahan ba design to raiba architect si tanaram ga dongni haiba si idea laita ba ko tanar matung da si sumaina modify to ge abra ina khana ga da ba sugumba singchi koi praja sing da su lehaningi.
Meitei Tribe Union MMTU organized a No ST, No Vote campaign at Ideal Teacher Training Academy, ITTA Sachiwa, with the objective of demanding inclusion of Meitei community in scheduled tribe list of the Indian Constitution. ITTA Society President K.H. Kala, MMTU President Salam Guru Kishore and T.H. Gopi Mohan attended the program as presidium members. MMTU Organizing Secretary T. Parijad, along with Mutum Churumani, Santi Kumar Shapam and Women Wing Convener T.H. Rupanjali spoke at the campaign, highlighting the importance of constitutional recognition and the community's long-standing demand for ST status.
Manipur India tin khiba India merge tawre haidana tin kharba matung dagi akhoi iramdam sidega Indian Constitution ke adar franchise ki bhor lemnaraka akhoi gi mihut ne na khanbagi chanadi si het hokhiba matam dagi akhoi maseng marakta amaga gi khaibung na bagi nusina da bagi community gi oiba wakhanda thabak tawna koi wapam se maswaide lak pachuna lak ho hobrai khamjei.
All India State Government Employees Confederation, ISJAG, Manipur State Unit has submitted a memorandum to Manipur Governor today demanding implementation of old pension scheme and increasing dearness allowance, DA for short, for state government employees. ISJAG Manipur State Unit President M.J. Kumar informed this to media during a press meet held today at Manipur Press Club, Imphal. Speaking further, he said that the memorandum urged the government to address the gap in the DA between state government and central government employees, noting the DA for state government employees was 39% compared to 56% for central government employees. Joy Kumar went on to urge the government to increase the retirement age of state government employees from 60 to 62 and implement the old pension scheme. Further highlighting the shortage of government school teachers from primary level to higher secondary level, the ISJ appealed to the government for promotion and replacement of government school teachers.
NPS haina kaino adu new pension scheme haibase masi hiji sanadana le masina maram moiduna ekoi employee singsina ay pension thangpa matam hadi retire tor kanda problem mayam face toba mongoda ekoi all pension scheme do sana bo ragadi mai phangam ko hingana bagi lambi khara madu bibi ba haitai aduga NPS haidi kai makhar manna ka retire tor ragadi benefit am talai ta mi madal ni pension phangaganda policy manga phangba tara phangba ji kamai to hinga do no haiba ma kai aduda NPS to bigano all pension scheme se to bio haidi dabi ma lere ri mathanga aikoina koi sahi sangdokki matang si college amsung doctor sing natana atai di loina sahi hu de lei haje aduna sahi buni thoi ai sahi ani kaptang war bawda madu hapsen bi haibagi madu bagi wafam si koina government da thamjebani.
MPCC Labour Department Chairman Doijam Lokendro strongly condemned the demolition of the under-construction classroom of Kurai Hegrumakong Junior High School, calling it an uncivilized act. Addressing a press meet held today at his residence, Lokendro further termed the incident an unfortunate, citing news report about the alleged involvement of Kurai constituency MLA in the demolition. He also criticized that the MLA concerned has misused his power, adding that legislatures need to respect and comply the orders issued by government departments. Lokendro went on to emphasize the importance of holding talks with locals and women folk when there is any difference in taking up developmental works in a locality.
Sktv'S season junior high school da campus makta sajaba building adu thugai birame haidana media gi thongda pongdam cheda mayam phongdong narali amna laibu chiba yam ikai ni ngai ni basi matungda amuhanna thoktana ba punabiyu club moira kai bi satana horo me tana minaga tathok tasin tawraga tobiram targadi yamna mayamna penaga da masina maram moraga khuragi praja mayam adugmatik mathamuida sauningba nunangwa mayam ko emasi youth ama oibu targadi
Now let us take a short break. We'll be right back.
Great opportunity for local operators. SKTV is expanding. Come and be a part of SKTV revolution with high-speed internet, IPTV along with OTT and other benefits. We are building stronger connections through franchising. Become a local cable operator and provide reliable information and entertainment to your neighbors. Unlock your growth with our technology and top-tier service. So if you're looking for exclusive partnership opportunities, then please call us at 700-5259-437 or 897-420-9157.
Welcome back. You're watching Sktv's Primetime English News. Now moving on. Former Union Minister of State for External Affairs and Education, Dr. R.K. Ranjan, distributed sewing machines to women under MPLAD scheme 2023-24 Nari Shakti today. The function was also attended by former MSME National Board member Robin Blecky, Imphal West Jilla Parishad Chairperson Dr. Laisham Bobby and Manipur PAC's Federation Treasurer Mongjam Nimaichan. Speaking at the function, former Union Minister of State Ranjan emphasized the role of Manipuri women from household chores to state's economy, stating that the society will be developed when there is gender equality. He went on to highlight the adverse impact of the state's economy during this ongoing crisis, while stating that training programs for boosting economy will be conducted phase-wise in Imphal East, Imphal West, Bishnupur and Thobal districts in collaboration with SHGs.
Women's की role से हम चाव कोई किता wages तो पाथो गदी masing langam draba microeconomics sida nupina chauba thokdang lawem adune atmanirbhar bharat aisa isagi khudda sujaraga humangwa manna phangge poto madu yamna lemna nungaina sajaba madagi phangpa income mado maduna isa isu yunglai kairi phagadaba honaba asineba aduga maruena suba nombada sauthokchabagi wakhal ama pawba madu akhoi khudimukta lainuna honaba.
Kurai Juvenile Club has appealed relevant authority to fix the Ayangpali road which connects Kurai Lamlong with Jenims while highlighting the pathetic condition of this road stretch that leads to an important hospital. In a press note issued by General Secretary of the club, it informed that aggrieved people and groups have blocked the Ayangpali road, demanding for early repair, and this has resulted to congestion on other streets in the area, especially in Kurai Thodam Laikai and Thangjam Laikai. Kurai Juvenile Club further appealed to relevant authority to repair the Ayangpali road and resolve the inconveniences faced by public. Now, a 2-day-long Manipur pre-summit event ahead of upcoming AI Impact Summit India 2026 was jointly organized by India AI and Emerging Technology Society Manipur, NILIT Imphal and Department of Information Technology at NILIT campus in Akampat today. The pre-summit event is being organized on a theme, Transforming Northeast India, Grassroots AI for Global Employability and Impact. Secretary of IT Department, T.H. Kiran Kumar, along with representatives of Transvisual Private Limited, NASCOM, IBM, Critical and Emerging Technology Society and German Academy of Digital Education attended the program. Vice Chancellor of NILIT, Dr. Anand Tripathi, also attended the event online and spoke on vision, strategy and industrial potential of AI. A global business roundtable was also held as part of the event.
When we talk about transformation, anything you do, when people walk, you have to run. When people are running, you have to fly. We are laggards. As a country, if we see the world context, AI per se, or in technologies, we have got other runners ahead of us. We need to run faster, we need to have bigger dreams, better dreams. We need everything. That's why we need all the different stakeholders over here. Way forward, we being smaller state, our population smaller, our catchment area is also smaller. We will start small, but not that we will always be small. Some has led the way for the knowledge with some bigger projects, bigger infrastructural setup. Why not, if we are not as good as Assam, we will be running next to Assam.
A day-long awareness on agroforestry cum skill development was organized by Oil and Water Conservation Division 1 and 2 under the aegis of Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana RKVY at Kiamba Ningsing Sanglen today. Nodal Officer of Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana Forest and Chief Conservator of Forest Gaitalu Thaime, Bishnupur DFO Waikom Romabai, DFO Am Wungrin Langshing graced the function. Experts gave live demonstration on horticulture crops, agroforestry, beekeeping and mushroom farming. Manipur Consortium of Potato, Onion Freights and Traders, MacPoft, today organized wholesaler and retailers meet at Manipur Press Club Major Kul, Imphal on a theme Protecting Our Market in a Sustainable Economy. The event was attended by Transport Director Kumantem Daina, CAF and PD Director K. Bono, President Moyangtem Deepak and Consumers Club President T. Pulchand Sharma. Speaking at the function, Director Daina stressed the need for deliberation with stakeholders and government regarding import challenges for essential items and strategies to minimize costs to ensure that the public does not suffer. She also sought suggestions from stakeholders while stating that the government is ready to extend every possible help to them.
Manipuri or propaganda pots and the it is not just for onion potato, it is for all items which is reaching Manipur. Cost minimize what is the role of the private sector, what is the role of the government, how can we facilitate each other so that the common people doesn't suffer, and the society at large doesn't suffer. I think we need like a bigger deliberation. Transport department ki side the whatever role we can extend in terms of coordinating with the railway or air cargo or even with the road sector.
As part of the observance of 37th National Road Safety Month 2026, District Administration Tamenglong, SP Tamenglong Police and DTO Tamenglong jointly conducted District Special Enforcement Awareness Drive on road safety rules at Tamenglong District Headquarters today. During the drive carried out under the theme Sadak Suraksha Abhiyan, Tamenglong Police along with district transport officials checked vehicle documents, driving license and helmets, etc. besides generating awareness about road safety to the general public. They also distributed pamphlets and sweets to the drivers. The awareness drive was led by DTO Tamenglong, Kumujam Niranjoy. District Administration Jiribam, in collaboration with the District Transport Office, observed the 37th National Road Safety Month 2026 with the theme Sadak Suraksha Abhiyan, Road Safety, Safety to Life, at the conference hall of the Deputy Commissioner's Office, Jiribam. Speaking on the occasion, Deputy Commissioner Jiribam Krishna Kumar announced a series of activities to promote road safety awareness in the district. These activities include the distribution of helmets to bike riders, pamphlets and stickers and traffic rules and signs to the general public across Jiribam district. A bike rally is also planned for January 22nd to spread awareness on road safety. As part of the observance, the Deputy Commissioner took the road safety pledge. The event was also attended by senior officials including Superintendent of Police Prakar Pandey, ADC Jiribam TH Manoranjan Singh, SDO Jiribam L Tarajit Singh, DTO Jiribam M Vikash and other officials from the DC office, PWD and Health Department. Earlier in the morning, a social service camp was organized at Jiribam Higher Secondary Playground, which is the venue for the 77th Republic Day celebration for Jiribam District. Officials from Jiribam Municipal Council and departmental heads of line departments and their staff participated in the social service camp. Three-day-long national workshop on remote sensing for climate resilience, bridging science and society began at Polestar College in Hianglam, Wabagay today. The workshop is being jointly organized by Environmental Science, Geography, Anthropology departments and IQAC in association with Manipur Remote Sensing Application Center and Department of Environmental and Climate Change. Principal of Polestar, Dr. E. Gopal, former Vice Chancellor of DM University and Raj Mohan, and Director of Remote Sensing Application Center, Oinam Noriachan, along with experts from outside the state, attended the program. Rohit Kundongbam of Awangpotsangbam Kulen has been crowned Rubaru Mr. Manipur 2026 in the grand finale that was held at Imperial Hall of Classic Grande Imphal yesterday. After a rigorous and competitive selection process, Rohit Kundongbam of Awangpotsangbam Kulen, son of KH Samungo and KH Ronibula, was crowned Rubaru Mr. Manipur 2026, while David Maisnam and Gagarin Taudam secured the first runner-up and second runner-up titles, respectively. The grand event was judged by an eminent panel comprising Managing Director of Rubaru Mr. India Pankaj Kharbanda, Additional Director General of Police Emmanuel K. Mueva, renowned film actor Soma Laishram and Deputy Commissioner of Bishnupur District Pooja Elangbam. The grand finale witnessed the presence of numerous renowned and popular film stars, leading fashion designers, fashion enthusiasts, sponsors and prominent media personalities, underscoring the growing influence of the Rubaru platform and firmly establishing the event as a landmark celebration of confidence, personality and youth empowerment in Manipur. 112th Battalion of CRPF under the aegis of Inspector General Manipur and Nagaland Sector CRPF distributed sewing machines to villages of Kaitalmanbi Military Colony Village in Kampupit District. The initiative was taken up as part of its ongoing civic action program. Sewing machines were distributed to displaced women during a function that was held at Hall of Institute for Community Action and Resource Development, ICARD. Now in sports news, Manipur delivered a stellar performance at the 7th National Kwan-Kido Championship held at JKSE Indoor Stadium, Bhagwati Nagar, Jammu and Kashmir from January 16 to 18, clinching an impressive total of 24 gold, 2 silver and 9 bronze medals. The championship was organized by Kwan-Kido Association of JNK under the aegis of Kwan-Kido Federation of India. Manipur contingent comprised 27 male and 8 female players along with 6 officials, 2 team managers and 2 coaches. Among the stand-up performers, A. Lenin won a gold medal in full contact fight, while K.H. Jasmine secured 1 gold. S. Dinakumar claimed a silver and A. Koranganba bagged a bronze. In the full contact team fight category, C.H. Benson won 2 gold medals. Ketrimayum Tachrendro also clinched 2 golds, and W. Nazili added 1 gold to the tally. El Saline won 2 bronze medals in full contact semi-finals and 1 gold in semi-contact. El Baluraj secured 1 bronze in full contact and 1 gold in team fight. S. Sonal Kumar bagged 1 gold in senior full contact category. S. Ali's dominated with 3 gold medals in full semi and team fight categories. Y. Tellison won 2 golds in semi-contact and team fight, while Y. Ganga claimed 2 golds in full contact and team fight. A. Leonel also won 2 golds in full contact and team fight. K.H. Yangoiba earned 1 silver in full contact, 1 bronze in kata, and 1 gold in team fight. Meanwhile, K.H. Yailan won 1 bronze in full contact and 1 gold in team fight. And T. Ching Leilan won a gold medal in team fight and a silver in full contact. The W.I. Jen won a silver in weapon and a bronze in guan kata, as Lamyanba won a gold medal each in semi and full contact events, while L. Prithviraj won a silver in semi-contact and Dipraj Mutum won a silver in weapon, while Dipanjit Mutum won a bronze medal in weapon event. Assam Rifles Team A and ex-Polo Club Wankhai will meet in the final of 39th Men's State-Level Polo Tournament 2025-26. In the semi-final matches that were played today, Assam Rifles Polo Team A defeated Manipur Police Sports Club MPSC Team B by margin of 7-3, while in another semi-final match, ex-Polo Club Wankhai beat Manipur Police Sports Club MPSC Team A by a score of 11-3. The final match is scheduled on January 21st. Dalin FC Moirang has emerged as champion of the first state-level 5-man A-side football tournament 2026 after defeating KPFC Kapotsangbam in penalty shootout at final match that was played yesterday. In the final match, it was played at Kapotsangbam Public Ground. Both teams could not score a single goal in the stipulated time, and the match had to be decided through penalty shootout, in which Dalin FC Moirang edged past KPFC Kapotsangbam with scoreline of 3-2. Moirang MLA Tongam Shanti, Bishnupur MLA Govindas Kwantaujan, President of KPFC Kangabam Pajaton, graced the closing prize distribution ceremony. Now the weather report. According to ICR Regional Center Lamphel that's maximum temperature was recorded at 24 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 7 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 95% in the morning and 47% in the evening. Now, before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Foothills Naga Coordination Committee declines to attend meeting convened by Government of Manipur regarding protest against Kuki community. Campaign for just and fair delimitation opposes benefits meant for indigenous people diverted to illegal immigrants through improper census. Rajasthan school wushu team faces extortion and intimidation from Kuki militants en route to Imphal for participation in 69th National School Games. And IPR Director Ngangom Uttam underscores the importance for architects in Manipur to consider earthquake and flood while designing building and structures. Well, that's all we have for now. Thank you for watching SKTV News and keep watching for more news updates.